Entering the contest is an amazing opportunity. I can't begin to explain the thrill it is for a first-time author especially to be able to hold their book in their hand. It's an incredibly creative process. I think actually not even the first book, any book, when you hold that book in your hand, it's kind of like having a baby. Not a day goes by that I'm not amazed at the power of our stories to transform and touch the human heart. It really is amazing. You know, we all are storytellers, and in fact there are some people who think that the desire and the ability to tell stories is what makes us human. It's at the very heart of our humanity, and I think there's a reason God made us this way, and that's because when we choose to step out in faith, take a risk, and share our stories with each other, whether it's over the dinner table with your family, or over a cup of coffee with a friend, or through a book, or through the digital glow of an e-book, beautiful and amazing things can happen. When we choose to share our stories, God can work in our hearts. I think that we realize that we're not alone. We realize how much we have in common. We realize how much we need each other. And I think in a word what happens is we connect. Only you can tell your story. Nobody else can tell your story the way you can do it and the way you were meant to do it. So that should be encouraging to you. And also, likewise, when it comes to getting your story out there, being published, if that's what God has in mind for His good purposes, nothing can stop it from happening. Even if you're not the grand winner of the contest, you still will have a beautiful completed manuscript at the end of having tried. So I think if there's one thing I've learned in life, it's that in God's economy, nothing goes to waste. So again, I encourage you to try, and in the end you'll have a beautiful completed manuscript, and it's just a win-win. So I say go for it.